I'm Lucas. I'm a project manager at an educational nonprofit publisher, and I would give StackBuy 5 stars out of 5. So before we started using StackBuy, we were just using Excel as well as Google Sheets, and we did try out Coda as well for this kind of application. We decided to adopt StackBuy because it seemed to offer at a reasonable price the kind of features that we needed, and really one of the advantages with it as well was that it was kind of easy to get into. It's like Excel but better, and so if you can use Excel, you can use StackBuy. We like that about it. So StackBuy is very easy to get started with, and we really had no big learning curve. In the early days of the software, so we started using it a couple of years ago. In the early days, there were a few more bugs, and so that was probably the biggest hitch with getting started. A lot of those are gone now, and so really not difficult to get started with. So if you're looking at StackBuy, do check out their lifetime deals and annual plans. Some of those can get you better value. But of course, if you're just getting started in this kind of space, check out some of the competition like Retable, and there's others out there, Airtable. So there are other good alternatives to StackBuy. We really love StackBuy, but hey, check out your options and see which one meets your needs.